This lesson is on sequences. It is brought to you by EnergizedMath.com. There are two main types of sequences. You have arithmetic, or also called arithmetic, and geometric. Arithmetic is adding and subtracting. Adding and subtracting. So common one of that would be like 2, 4, 6, 8. We're going up by 2 each time. The letters we're going to use in the formulas for this are going to be A, which is going to represent the first term, which in this case would be 2, and then your D, which would be your difference. Okay. The second main type is geometric, and here you are multiplying by some sort of common number. The letters we're going to use in this will be A, which would be the first term, and R, which will be like your ratio that you're adding on or multiplying on. So let's identify a couple of sequences by types. So my first one is 3, 5, 7, 9. This is an arithmetic sequence. It is going up by 2 every time. So my A value in this case, which is the first term, will equal 3. And my D, which is the difference, will be going up by 2 every time. The second sequence here, I have 6, 3, 0, negative 3. Okay, it is going down by 3 every time, which means my difference is going to be negative 3. And my first term, which is my 6, is my A value. The third sequence here I have an A value of 3, and it seems, let's go 3, 6, 12, 24. It is doubling every time, so it is being multiplied by 2, and this would make it geometric. Okay, the first two here were arithmetic. The fourth one here, I have 4, 2, 1, 0.5. It is going in half by each time. So my A would be 4, and it's geometric, so it would have an R value, and it's going down, it's being divided in half, so my R value is 0.5. You have to treat it like you're multiplying by some sort of common value. Okay, so it is also geometric. There are some formulas we're going to use. For arithmetic, here is my term, my general term formula. My Tn at the front, okay, the N is going to be for what term that I'm finding, okay? This is going to be like my new term. It could be term 7 or whatever. N is my term number. Okay, so if I had a sequence, let's do 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay, this is my fourth term, so N would equal 4, but 9 itself is term 4. So term 4 would equal 9. The fourth term is 9. N is 4. A, we said before, was our first term, and D was the difference. Okay, so Tn equals A plus N minus 1D. For geometric, Tn equals A times R to the N minus 1. N is still the term number. Tn is like your new term. Okay, and R would be the ratio that you're multiplying by. Otherwise, it stays the same. So these are two formulas we're going to use throughout. Here are some examples. Let's find the seventh term. Okay, so first of all, identify what you have here. Here I have an arithmetic because it's going up by 5 every time. I have an A value of 3 and I have a D of 5. So using the formula Tn equals A plus N minus 1D, put in your values. Okay, I have an A of 3 plus, I said I want to find the seventh term, so that means it's going to be 7 minus 1, and my difference was 5. So 3 plus 7 minus 1 is 6. 6 times 5, 3 plus 30, it is going to be 33 will be my answer. Let's take the second example here. I have an A value of 10, and it seems like it's going down by half each time. 10 to 5, 5 to 2.5, so that would be geometric with an R value of 0.5. So using the geometric formula, I want to know the seventh term again, so I'm going to have 10 times 0.5 to the 7 minus 1, 10, 0.5 to the exponent of 6. I need to do my exponent part first, so on the calculator, 0.5 to the exponent of 6, okay, that's going to give me 10 to the 0.15625, okay, multiply that by 10, and that's going to give me an answer of 0.15625 would be the seventh term in that sequence. Okay, one more example to go. how many terms in the following sequence: 6, 8, 10, and then up to 58. Okay. Now, first again, figure out what type of sequence you have. It seems like it's going up by 2 every time, so I make it arithmetic. I have an A value of 6, I have a D of 2. I want to use my formula, arithmetic, Tn equals A plus n minus 1 times my D value. Here, I know what my final term is, so that means my 58 is my Tn. 6 equals A. I do not know what term number that 58 is, so I leave it as my unknown, and I can fill everything else in. Now, doing simple algebra, I'm going to multiply my 2 into both of those. 2n minus 2. I'm going to have 58 equals 4 plus 2n. Take my 4 over, subtract 4 from both sides. 54 equals 2n. Divide by 2. And I want to have 27 equals n. So the 58th is term 27. This is a simple lesson on some arithmetic and geometric sequences. It's brought to you by Energize Math. Please visit energizemath.com to download this note. Thank you very much.